CleanShow Diaper Sprayer and Diaper Cleaner Hand by CleanShow is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. Have you used a diaper sprayer before that hasn't delivered when you need it the most, leaking when not in use, hard to maneuver, hard to install, water splattering all over the place? Meet CleanShow, the stress-free complete cloth diaper sprayer set. Try it and feel the difference. The complete kit includes by stainless steel sprayer by newly designed T-valve adapter that prevents any type of leaks, 7/8-inch, 1/2-inch thread tested by stainless steel premium quality hose by toilet wall mounted, can be used as 1. Personal hygiene toilet sprayer 2. Bum cleaner 3. Cloth diaper sprayer 4. Baby shower 5. Bidet sprayer 6. Bathroom water cleaner 7. Sink or faucet washer 8. Water hose to give your dog a nice wash, and many other uses. Perfect baby shower gift. CleanShow diaper sprayer cleans fast. Adjustable force for gentle rise or jet spray, splatter free. Diaper duty easy and frustration free without leaks or sprayer problems. No more dunk and swish. Great water flow pressure control from baby diaper sprayer. Handles even the worst diapers. WEs, ships from USA. Includes brass T-valve adapter, hose and wall mount hook holder to form complete set for 10 minutes install.